feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rosenberg. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian. Happy holidays, everyone, especially to the ladies. Let's move into our hot topics. Britney Spears is in the news again, and she's saying that she's looking to terminate her conservatorship and retire from music. Britney, right on. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Yes, sir.
J-Lo. J-Lo is saying that she may adopt Goldie Hawn and Kurt Russell's approach to togetherness. I agree with this, but what do you think about this, A-Rod? Our next hot topic is with Miley Cyrus. She channels her 2000s pop punk style in a layered tee and shredded jeans with the chunkiest boots. Miley, 420 girl, that's for you. I'll help you with that style. These were all of our hot topics, but remember, tomorrow night is the night when we will be unveiling who's the winner for the Jamaican products, because as you know, we will be giving them out. But for everyone, happy holidays, and especially for you, Kylie Jenner. Other than that, we out. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rosenberg.